really quick update on Dial8. Long story short, we now have text-to-speech. And I'll just show you the way it works. There's two modes. It can read things out loud just as is, or it can summarize and read out loud to you. So really quickly, let's go here. Let's first let's see. It's just gonna read it out loud. So I go here and press the hotkey.
The American penny will pass away later today after a prolonged illness.
If I want, I can also...
The American penny will pass away later today after a prolonged illness. It was 238 years old. The last penny will be minted Wednesday afternoon.
So this works everywhere, which is really great, especially like for if you want to just get highlights about something, if you want to just get the summary of whatever this is.
The American penny, which has existed for 238 years, will be discontinued after the last penny is minted today at the U.S. Mint in Philadelphia. This decision was announced by President Trump in February, citing high production costs. The penny, which used to be valuable enough for small purchases, is now largely obsolete and is mostly found in coin jars or as part of novelty items. It will be succeeded by the nickel, dime, quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins.
All right, cool. So that's that summarization. There's a separate model here as well, which is really, really good. It actually sounds even better. But it takes a little bit longer because it's a heavier model. Essentially, you have different voices you can choose from here, and you can set the speed to whatever you want. So that's text-to-speech, works everywhere on your Mac. Really, really great, really useful for just like the way I use it on Teams or Slack or whatever. I'll just highlight a bunch of text and I'll have it on summarize, and then it'll just tell me this person said this other person said that, and I can just kind of listen and do something else at the same time. And then when I'm ready to respond to them, I'll just like turn this on and start talking and responding to whatever I want to say. And then once I'm done, I can just do this, and then it will type out whatever I said. So there's also text replacements, which you can like configure yourself, whatever like things maybe you say at work or things like, for example, I'm going to ask the product manager, or I should have said I'm going to ask the PM what they think, right? And that would, PM in this case gets replaced by product manager. And then I think actually, so it didn't work there because what it's doing is I have AI rewrite enabled. So this is cool because I can pick the tone how I wanted to rewrite whatever I said. And as you can see, it's pretty quick. So yeah, here it rewrote it. For example, I'm going to ask the product manager what they think instead of product manager twice. It cleaned it up. So this is all happening locally. Hotkeys, I have it set to FN right now for speech to text, and then for text to speech is control, but you can change this to whatever you want, whatever you want. I like to keep it FN and then control for text to speech. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This app uses speech detection to kind of, it's pretty nice. I suggest you give it a shot. There's a 14-day free trial. After 14 days, you have to unlock the app, and it's a one-time payment of $25.99. And I'm giving away 100 free seats. So the first 100 users to sign up and use this app, I will unlock it for them. When you unlock the app, you need to create and sign in with like Google or Apple or whatever. The reason for that is because in order to unlock it, I need to tie it to an account. So that way, if you install it on a separate computer or whatever, it would still be unlocked when you sign in with your account. Yeah, obviously we don't, from your account, all we take is your first name, last name, and your email. That's it. We don't need anything else to essentially register this to your name. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to hear some feedback and see what you guys think. Thanks. Bye.